AI professionals and business leaders are still piecing together insight from scattered posts, noisy feeds, and disconnected communities. When signal is buried under speed, it gets harder to spot the people, lessons, and opportunities that actually matter. That's why we launched AI Founder Stories on AI Nexus World, a faster way to share credible journeys and discover real builder insight. First, creators get a simple, guided format for turning experience into a story people can actually read, follow, and learn from. Second, each story carries the business context behind it, so the right peers, partners, and decision makers can connect faster. And third, submission is streamlined from draft to review, making it easier to publish high-quality stories without slowing down your day. Be one of the first to share your journey or explore what other AI founders are building. Try AI Founder Stories today.